Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix projecting to this PC feature missing in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Optional Features. Click Add Feature. Type wireless display on search bar. Check wireless display. Click Install. Wireless display feature is successfully installed. Open System Settings. Projecting this PC option is enabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.